our goal is not enough.
Hello everyone. Let's learn about am family. Yes, am family. So when letters are separate like A and M, so their sounds are A and M. But when we join them, then they are called as am. So it is am family. J-A-M. Let's say sound of these letters. J-A-M. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. This is a new word. Let's say the sounds of these letters. R, A, M, ram. R, A, M, ram. R, A, M, ram. This is a boy and his name is Sam. So let's pronounce it together. What is the sound of letter S? S. S, A, M. Sam. S, A, M. Sam. S, A, M. Sam. Now look at this picture. What is it? It is a dam. And the dam is used for making electricity. Yes. So let's pronounce it together. What is the sound of letter D? D. D, A, M. Dam. D, A, M. Dam. D, A, M. Dam. What is it? It is ham. Ham is made from pork. So let's pronounce this word. What is the sound of letter H? H says H. H, A, M. Ham. H, A, M. Ham. H, A, M. Ham. So now let's speak together. I am Sam. Ra am ram. Ra am ram. Ra am ram. It is my ra am ram. Da am dam. Da am dam. Da am dam. The ra am ram is on a da am dam. Ja am jam. Ja am jam. Ja am jam. I eat ja am jam and ha am ham. We are using some sight words in this poem, so we have already uploaded the sight words video. Please refer to that video so that the child can speak the entire poem. So little children, आप इस पोएम को रिवाइज करेंगे, सारे वर्ड्स को वैसे ही बोलेंगे जैसे अभी हमने आपको बोल के सुनाया है। एंड अब आप बिग चिल्ड्रन हो गए हैं, तो तो आप अपनी स्टोरी बुक्स और आप अपनी बुक्स अपने आप भी रीड कर सकते हैं. You just have to follow the phonics. Okay, thank you.